Alright guys, welcome again. And then this time around we are looking at a question on exponential equations, okay? So how do we solve a question like this? First of all, if you look at every term in this equation, each one of them can be written as a base of 3. Alright, so let's really solve this. 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2, okay? And then all over, we have 3 raised to power 3 already, equals what? 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, that's 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so we are going to be right. But you know there's an existing x here before anyway, so that 4 is going to multiply this power, that power multiplying power. Okay, that's one of the laws of indices. All right, so we're going to be having 3 raised to the power 4 times x, which is what? 4x. And then again, we can rewrite this particular left-hand side as 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 3 raised to the power x, okay, equals to the right hand side, which is what? 3 raised to the power 4x. Another law in indices states that when the bases are the same thing, okay, and they are dividing each other, we can take one of the bases and just minus the powers, okay. Also the same thing when they are multiplying each other, just take one of the bases and just add the powers, okay. So here I'm going to go 3 raised to the power 2 minus x. Both of them are the same thing, so equals what? 3 raised to the power what? 4x. Another law of indices states that when the bases are the same thing and they are equal to each other, we can just cancel the bases and equate the power. Okay, so 3 cancel 3, and then we just equate their powers. So we have 2 minus x equals what? 4x. Then we have gotten ourselves a very simple equation. Just collect like terms and simplify. All right, so I'm going to transfer minus x to that other side. So I'm going to be having 2x plus x, then 2 equals 5x. Then looking for my x, I'll divide both sides by 5, okay? So divide both sides by 5. So I have 2 divided by 5 equals what? 5x divided by 5. Okay, so 5 will cancel 5. Then my x is going to be equal to 2/5. Therefore, x equals what? 2 all over 5. All right, so use the same method to solve this particular one. Okay, first of all, expressing each one of these terms in the base of 2. Okay, each one of them can be written just like this was expressed in base 3. All of these ones can be expressed in base of 2. Just follow the same process all through this particular question to solve this one, and then put the answer in the comment section. All right, so see you some other time. Bye bye.